Okay, first we'll go through CMD and add as administrator. By the way, ma'am, Mr. Ricodos and Mr. Lafuente will act as my technical team to debug my error. So, first that we're gonna do, nakagawa na po kami ng folder of Laravel, capital Laravel. Ngayon po, i-command lang po namin siya para ma-call out po namin siya sa CMD. So, to call out the CMD, we just need to call out cd c c then backslash users backslash and pinkf backslash oh sabi ko sa'yo mami act as technical team to pinkf backslash and one drive tapos backslash po ha backslash po and dash desktop backslash and yung file folder name po natin na Laravel. Ngayon po nakapasok na po tayo dun sa ating folder Laravel with its path sa users pinkf OneDrive desktop and Laravel. Ngayon po inside of that folder we need to type composer naka-capital composer create
Laravel project.
Okay,
Laravel.
project next. Okay. Laravel slash or backslash
slash landing page.
Laravel then landing page slash page landing page. Hope this will go through. Nice. Wait lang po natin yung pag-install ng Laravel sa ating system. While waiting for that, just want to make an entertainment. Hi guys, welcome to our vlog. Wait lang po natin matapos yung installation and preparations of Laravel in our system. Based on my experience, ma'am, medyo matagal po ito and it will take some time to install Laravel. Especially po yung pagtit! Especially po yung lechon kinain na ng pusa.
Sayang.
Wow! Baliw. Wait lang po natin yung installation of Laravel. Yung files niya po sa folder ng Laravel. Punta lang yung pusa. As you can see, ma'am, Mr. Lafuente and Mr. Ricodos acted as my technical team. If ever I have done an error, kinokorek po nila ako. Wait lang po natin na matapos yung Laravel folder make. Kasi po, lalabas din lang po naman dito yung folder niya. Like the EMB file, etc. So, wala na. Tingnan mo daw, wala na. Nag-install pa lang po yung Laravel pa. As you can see, ma'am, gumawa lang po kami ng folder. And for the installation na ginawa po namin kanina sa command, nakagawa po kami ng landing page folder sa loob ng Laravel. Inside the landing page of the Laravel, makikita po natin dito yung mga important files para sa landing page na gagawin namin for UEP. Di pa po siya complete as of the moment. So, we'll just wait for it to complete. Then, we can now proceed to command as the calling po, tapos landing page. Page. Ngayon po, nakapasok na po tayo sa landing page niya. Tapos, papasok na po natin yung built-in server ng Laravel. PHP artisan serve. Para po mag-start na po yung parang yung domain po niya para makita natin yung main page or home page ng Laravel. And as of the moment, ma'am, wait lang po. 127, wait lang po. I-copy na lang po natin yung dito para lalabas na po agad. I-copy lang po natin, ma'am. Oops. Ulit. Wait lang po. http://127.127.0. Ngayon po, nakita na po natin yung homepage ng Laravel. Ngayon po nakita na po natin yung landing page ng Laravel. It means nag-succeed po tayo sa paggawa ng command. Ngayon po, pupunta na po tayo sa VS Studio. I-open po natin yung start for para if ever happens, mas maganda. Bakit yung Apache? Which should know? It's me at top 40. Skip. And pupunta tayo sa files.
Tama, baka mali mo nakalawat isab mo.
Hindi yung Apache. Pa-help nga dito. Nag-error siya. Pa-check mic. Galag po yung laptop namin. Pa-help nga mic.
Wait lang.
Error sa kwan sa Apache. Parang dun sa system niya mismo. Yun, gumana na pala. Okay na. Ngayon, punta tayo sa kwan sa Visual Studio. Pagpunta sa Visual Studio, open po natin yung folder ng Laravel. Oh, wait lang po. Open po natin yung folder. Then, this PC, doon po tayo sa desktop and Laravel. Open lang po natin ito. Tapos, hanapin natin yung landing page. Punta po tayo sa views. So, the views folder. Okay. Folder, then resources and views. Pagpunta pa natin sa views, then ito po sa views, gagawa po tayo ng new file. Ilalagay na lang po natin new blade.php. Ngayon po, gagawa po tayo ng blade.php. Gagawa po tayo ng code. Doc type. Yung alam mo ba yung what? Nare-recall mo pa yung shortcut for doc type. Hindi na.
Control, exclamation.
HTML. Then, lalagay po tayo ng ganyan. HTML.
Type ni control
lang.
Exclamation.
And then for the head. Meta. head, then meta char set. Meta char set f dash 8. UTF dash 8, then code meta. Ay, wait lang po. Hindi po siya, dapat hindi siya capital letter. Code that meta, inside the meta, we'll call the name equals uport. Tapos, outside of uport, gagawa po tayo ng content niya. Content. Inside the content po, ilalagay po natin yung width equals device. Width device dash width. Width device equals width initial scale equals 1.0. Tapos yung magiging title po natin, title is University of Eastern Pangasinan. University of Eastern Pangasinan. Yan po, then we're gonna call this, tapos the title. Yan. Tapos yung style po niya for our CSS. Style. Curly bracket, then the margin is 0. Margin po 0. Tapos yung padding is yung padding niya po is 0. Padding 0. Tapos yung box sizing. The box sizing is border box. Tapos semicolon. Ay! Wait. Tapos pagkaka po ng semicolon, space, and tapos yung body, tapos yung op. Body, semicolon, space, and space, the font family is serif, tapos semicolon, then the background Okay, background lang, background. Is radial gradient po sa loob na po is critical. Circle. Circle at top. Circle at top. Then, semicolon, tapos yung number sign. 1A 0010. Then after that is the number 0D 0006 for that color. Then we'll add it the semicolon to end for its colors. Then the color for the color will go to F8 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 color hashtag F8 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 then semicolon tapos yung display po niya then the display is the flex semicolon to end then justify content and colon center semicolon then align items colon center then semicolon align items center tapos yung height po niya is the height is 100 ph semicolon and the overflow will be colon will be dead then again po punta tayo sa close bracket curly bracket then at keyframes keyframes po is false then curly bracket from curly bracket box shadow 0 x in px thus RGBA 15px RGBA 2550 ET 0.0.2 after that po from to then curly bracket box shadow ulit box box shadow. Box shadow, then color. Ay, meron na po tayong color. Then 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 35px. 0, 0, 35px, RGBA. Tapos, open and close parentheses. And inside the open and close parentheses, we'll go through to 550, 100, 100, and 0.6 na lang. 0.6 na lang. Yan. Then, close. Close natin yan. Tapos yung header. As for the header, open. Ay. Header. Open curly bracket. Enter. Tapos yung font size po. Font size. The font size is 2.8 rem. 2.8 rem. Tapos yung font weight po niya is the font weight will be bold. Tapos yung margin bottom. The margin bottom will be 15 pixels. 15 pixels. Tapos yung letter spacing will be 2px. Ay, 2px. Then text shadows. The text shadow will be 0, 0, 20px. RGBA, open and close parentheses. Inside the open and close parentheses, will go to 55, 50, 100, and 0.9. 0.9. 0.9. Then we'll close through that one. Then the key, open in curly bracket, font size. Ito po tayo sa font size is 1.2 rem na lang. 1.2 rem. Then the margin size, the margin bottom. The margin bottom will be 30px. And after the margin bottom, we'll go to its opacity. Opacity maging kahit yung 0.9 na lang. 0.9. Nice. Then we'll close that one. Then for the neon button, yung buttons po niya, maglagay mo lang po tayo ng button. Ay, mali. Button. Tapos open in curly bracket. Yung display. Display is inline. Inline block. Inline block. Tapos yung background. Color. linear gradient na lang tayo. Linear gradient. Tapos yung gradient po niya is 90 G 90 PAG and number size FF00 P. Tapos yung pan po niya is FF 3366. Tapos ko na po sa semicolon. FF ups FF3366. Yan. Tapos yung color po ng is triple F na lang. Triple F and with semicolon, then the padding is 12px and 32px. 12px and 32px and it will end with semicolon. Then border radius. The border radius will be 50px. Border radius will be 50px. And text decoration. Punta po tayo sa text decoration. Magnan na lang tayo para mas aesthetic siya. Font weight. Font weight kahit punta po tayo sa bold. Tapos yung font size will go through 1.1 now. 1.1 REM. 1.1 REM semicolon. Tapos yung transition po niya transition all. Then after all 0.3 seconds at ease. Then punta po sa back shadow. Pag punta natin sa back shadow, ligot natin si 0, 0, and 30px. 0, 0, and 15px. Then RGBA. Open and close parentheses. Then 255 0 0 255 0 80 0.6 then open and close parentheses, semicolon, enter. Okay. We'll go to we'll go through that button hover. Colon hover. That button hover. And open and close curly bracket. And magte-take will be next to take code 30 code. Transform. for the Button hover map, the transformation scale is 1.08 na lang po. Then the back shadow is 0 by 0 by 30 px na RGBA 255 by 50 by 100 by 1. Then we'll go through the footer na po. Yung position na po is absolute. Absolute. Tapos yung bottom po niya is the bottom size is 15px. Bottom is 15px. We'll add semicolon and the font size is 0.85 rem. Font size will be 0.85 rem. 85 rem. Semicolon. Then the opacity of that process will be 0.7. Font size. Different font. Font size will be 0.87 rem, while the opacity is 0.7, and the text shadows will be 0.0 and 10px for the RGB of 25550 by 100 by 0.6 by 50 by 100 by 0.6. Then we'll add semicolon. After that semicolon, we'll move through the particle. That particle. Ito po yung the particles will act as the floating techie particles for the floating techie particles will be act as our floating techie particles. Then we'll go through its code after its message. Dot particles open and close curly brackets, and its position will be absolute. Position. The position will be absolute. Shift. Then the width will be 6px. And its height will be 6px also to accommodate that with like box type, and will be the border radius will be 50%. Radius. Palitan mo ng A. And radius. 50 will be 50%. Then the background will be RGBA 255 open and close parenthesis 255 by 0 by 80 by 80. Siguro namin ito. 0.8. Then ending with semicolon and the back shadows. The back shadow will be 10px with the RGBA of 255 and 0 and 100 and 100 and 0.8. then close parenthesis ending with semicolon. Semicolon. After that semicolon, we'll go through animations. It's animation, we decided to go through flow for 8 seconds po. And infinite is infinite is dash in and out. Dash in and out. Yeah, and closing with the curly bracket. After that curly bracket, we'll go to the keyframes for the smooth transitions. Keyframes load. Sige. Load. Open and close curly brackets. Then we'll go to 0%. 0% space, open in curly brackets, transform, colon, translate y, shift, shift, shift mo, dun sa kabila, 0, 0 yung sa loob ng bracket, close, and after closing it, we'll go to translate x, 0 din po, ending with, suna ko rin, 0 with opacity of 1. %, transform, px, translate x, shift, translate x, px, then opacity, ay, mo na yan, opacity, 0.6, curly, ay, semicolon, then alisin mo yung yan, semicolon, then alisin mo din yan, curly bracket, next, next, 100%, open and close curly brackets, then transform,
Walang hindi pantay, tama lang.
transform, translate y, 0. Tapos yung translate x na translate y will be 0. Translate y will be 0 and translate x will be 0 and the opacity will be 1 for this one. Then we'll go through after this after this we'll go through style. After this we'll go to style and head, tapos the body, div, style, tapos yung head, tapos si body. Then we'll go through div. We'll go through div class equals container. There's a container, then the header. Header will be University of Eastern Pangasinan. University of Eastern Pangasinan will be its header. Tapos yung paragraph po niya is will go through paragraph. Sa paragraph po, ano ba? Shaping the future. Shaping the future through quality. Shaping the future through quality education. And innovation. Yan. That. Tapos, paragraph. Tapos, we'll go to a href. Sa href. And class. After that class is the button. Yan. Explore. More. After that, explore more. If it's div. Pasok na tayo. And lastly, pupunta na po tayo sa footers. Footer and copy. Footer and copy. 2005. University of Eastern Pangasinan. University of Eastern Pangasinan. Rock and roll. namin yung paglagay ng crank and rod. Then for the particles, we'll go to div. Div and its class particle. Div class particle, tapos yung style po niya. Style will be top 20%. 20%. Top will be 20%. Top will be 20%. Left will be 10%. Then animation delay. Animation delay will be 0 seconds. 0 seconds. Tapos, yan. Tapos, div. Div. Copy lang po. So, tapos, yan. Div class particle style 50. Particle style is 50. 50. The particle style will be 50 and the left is 80. Left will be 80. Then the animation delay is 2 seconds. Kakaroon ng spacing. Yan. For the third one, we'll go through style 70% for the top. 70% top. 70%. Tapos yung left niya is 30%. 30%. Animation delay will be 4 seconds. Animation delay will be 4 seconds. Then, for the last one, class particle style, and we'll go through 40%. Tapos yung left, top po niya is 40%, left niya is 60%. 60%, then yung animation delay po niya will be 6 seconds. That one. Then to close this code, pupunta po tayo sa apps body. Hindi, body lang. Tama ba? Body. Tapos HTML. Body then it's HTML. To clarify lang po, this UEP plate.php it is parang siya po yung pinaglalagyan ng CSS, HTML, and other parts of the code para po mabuo. Landing page natin. Nag-error. Daming boses nag-error naman. Landing page, roots, web. Open natin si landing page. Punta tayo kay roots. Sabihin mo yung roots, di ko mahanap. Ayun, si roots. Tapos kay web.php. Tapos kailangan po natin siyang i-update na naman. Sawa na ako, ma'am. I-update natin siya na naman. Use, illuminate, support, facades, and the roots. And roots, colon, get, open close parenthesis. Alisin po natin to si Yuri. Oops, wait lang. Alisin po natin si Yuri. Hindi ko malis. Alisin. Bali. Alisin natin si Yuri. Tapos, use illuminate, support roots. Tapos, yung ganyan lang natira. Tapos, si function. Alisin natin si... dito na ako. Buhay. Yan. Use illuminate, support, facades, roots. Root. Then, this root will be root double colon get open and close parenthesis, and inside the open and close parenthesis to, tapos slash, tapos this is function, tapos open and close parenthesis ulit, tapos open and close curly bracket, tapos maglagay tayo dito return view, open and close parenthesis, after open and close parenthesis, tapos YouTube talaga to. Oo. What are nga yung video dati?
Ikaktatan, fast forward ko diting
resources, views, UEP blade. That's, ito po, itong return view that UEP, pupunta po siya sa, or ilo-load niya yung loads resources sa views, UEP, yung blade po na ginawa po natin kanina. Tapos, after this is an error. Alisin natin to. Nagawa na.
Tapos na.
Tapos, yan. Tapos, pupunta po tayo sa CMD. Artisan serve. Di pa rin ito tapos. Ay, meron na pala. Check natin.
Terminal boss.
University of Eastern Pangasinan. Tama na to, ma'am? Natamad na kami gawa ng CSS. Pero nakagawa na po kami ng landing page. However, it is only a basic landing page for University of Eastern Pangasinan. And meron po yung watermark namin na 2005, University of Eastern Pangasinan, rock and roll. Tinatamad na kami mag-CSS, ma'am. Masyado nang mahaba tong video namin. Gawa na lang po kami next time. Bawi kami midterm.
ChatGPT CSS.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye-bye. However, Mr. Lafuente and Mr. Ricodos act as my technical team. And if wala naman po naging problema with our error, so they guide me. Ginaid po nila ako sa aking mga ginawa and mga kinote. Thank you, ma'am. Bye-bye. Wait lang. Umalis ka rito. Wait lang, ma'am. Yan. Bye-bye, ma'am talaga.